I believe I have a video that I want to actually show you of me actually leaving you a voice message, I believe. Um, if I still had it, but it's like, yeah, bro, like I was expecting you to have a little bit more hustle this week. You know what I mean? And I really want you to like, how do you feel like your week has been going hustle wise?
Better than last week.
You do?
Yep.
All right. What you get done this week?
I got done some stuff that I needed to get done, man. Some stuff I needed to get done.
So you needed to get done.
Yeah, that's
here's
all
the
I can
video.
say.
Yo, here's the audio. What I mean by that is,
I know what you're talking about.
so what's going on?
I know what you're talking about.
What's going on?
No, it's there. It's there. Don't worry.
No, it ain't there. We don't see it, bro. Now, did you open your Instagram app today? Yo, what's up?
Nah, I never went to that.
Oh man, come on, bro. I haven't seen you enough. That's all I was calling for.
Sometimes I don't open it right away, man.
I mean, I ain't saying
Yeah,
open it
bro,
right away, but
bro,
I mean,
like-
I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, bro. Like, it just wasn't
Bro,
there
like-
this week, and I just want to know exactly why, and if you gonna hold yourself accountable.
I didn't say you can record our voice call, bro.
Huh?
You see what I'm saying?
Oh, I don't need that
Like,
permission, bro.
that
Like that, you gotta understand. I'm a content creator, bro. This is what I do.
Oh,
This is what I
wow,
do.
bro.
Yeah, this is what I do, man. You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, I did that for not just this, but also for a vlog. You know what I mean? I was gonna make a story out of it, which I probably am gonna do after this. But saying that, you know, you need friends like this. You know what I mean? That's what the story is gonna be about. Is you need friends like this that push you. But you know, with everything going on as far as you know, just trying to improve our businesses, I just felt like me making that phone call to you, it would benefit you. But it clearly shows it didn't. You know what I mean?
I mean, yeah, from the outside looking in, yeah. You feel me? That's definitely facts. From the outside looking in, it definitely didn't. You feel me? But that's why I said it's better than last week, because I know what's inside. Like I know what's cooking. You feel me?
But
Right
you
now,
can't
I
share
didn't
with us this cooking.
I didn't put the seasoning in, so you can't really smell it through the window right now. But it's cooking like that. Get in there. You feel me? And
So
there's some
what's
stuff that I
cooking,
don't.
man? Share something with us, man. Stop doing
I
what you
was
did
literally-
last. Stop
I
doing
was
what you did the
literally-
other time, bro. Stop that. Stop
literally-
that, bro. Stop that. What's
I was
cooking?
literally about to say, I'm not speaking on it right
Oh
now.
my god, yo, bro, you stay on that. You stay on that BS,
Not-
bro.
I'm not.
You
No,
s-
because
you
like
stay on that
usually
BS.
listen. Usually I might speak something, but at the end of the day,
Nah.
like nah, I'm not even gonna do that no more. I'm just.
I
act
feel
on
like
it,
you're not
you feel me?
speaking on it because you're scared it might fail.
Nah, not at all. You feel me?